Hello everyone, good morning. I have one ticket of Feliz Natal, it means Merry Christmas in English. And I already scratched the game 3. There are 4 chances of winning in this ticket. This one, I have to find at least 5 of this symbol to win 10 euros. Or if I can find this symbol, I win 150. And Jogo 2 matching symbol. Jogo 3 matching amounts to win that amount. And Jogo 4 means game 4 matching symbol. But I already scratched the game 3 matching amounts to win that amount, and there's no win. Okay, so I have to go. I'm doing my nails, but it's so bad, not yet done. I'm using the 2020 Scratchers coin. Okay, this one is a game for matching symbol. I have to find this symbol to win. Okay. No. 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 I hope you guys can see. No. Camisola. I have to find this to win. No. And no. In game 2, I have to find this symbol to win. Nothing. So game 2, game 3, and game 4, there's no win. So let's try in game 1. I have to find at least 5 of these to win 10 euros. Seems like this ticket there's no sign of winning. So I found 4 more to win. Two. Three. So only 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. So this ticket is a loser. There's no win in this ticket. Game 1, no. Game 2, no. Game 3, no. And game 4. There's no win. It's a loser. Okay. Bye. Better luck next time. Bye. Have a nice day.